So I won't be wasting any time. I'll come straight to the point, right? If we consider the transportation engineering in particular, if we consider the transportation engineering in particular, this subject is asked for around 8 marks. This subject is asked for around 8 marks. And out of these 8 marks, every time in the every year, the pavement design is consisting of at least 1 to 2 questions. At least 1 to 2 questions. Now the weightage can vary. These both questions can be of 2 marks, these questions can be of 1 mark, right? So if you give me your next 2 hours, I will assure that you will never miss these 3 to 4 marks in the gate examination, right? So I can conclude that 3 to 4 marks will be covered in this video. So I hope it is not a bad deal to dedicate your next 2 hours in order to ensure that you do not miss even a single question of design of pavement, not only in the gate examination, in any of the examinations of this country, whether it is engineering services or it is state services or anything for that sake, right? Because I'll be giving you the most important concepts of pavement design. And this is going to be the wonderful session. I assure you that you will love this session, right? Okay. So we are entering into the session straight away now.